Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to draw the beams. As in my previous video I have shown you in details from the beginning level to the very simple things I have taught, like how to draw the grids, how to draw the levels, how to create the columns, how to create the foundations. Now in today's video I'll be telling you how to create the beams, and for that what you need to do is you need to go to the foundation level of the floor plans. Then after that you need to go to the structure, click on beams. After clicking on beams you have to select the concrete beam. Suppose I will be selecting the beam of 300 mm by 600 mm. Click on edit type, let me click on duplicate, then beam, I'll click on beam 1, then size of 300 by 400 mm. After that I'll click on OK. 300 by 400 mm, I'll click on OK. After clicking on OK, I will create this beam. So what will be my reference level? My reference level will be the foundation level. Now I'll create the beam from the one foundation to the another. Or I can simply click on grids. In the similar manner I can click on simply the grids and click it all and click finish it. See, this is how my beams are created. Let me go to the 3D view and check for the beams. So this is how my beams are created. But remember that my beams are required to be created not at the foundation level, because tie beams are not created at the foundation level. So let me select in one beam and press SA. Now after that reference level I need to actually I have selected the wrong reference level. So let me do one thing. Let me go to the foundation plan and press Ctrl Z. Press Ctrl Z. Now I will again click on beam and I will select the beam 1. Now my reference level should be the ground level. Now I will create the beams by clicking on grids. Now I will select all the grids. After that I will click on finish, because my beams should be always created in the ground level. Now let me go to the 3D view. Reference level is ground level. Now let me go to the 3D view. Reference level is foundation level. So let me again go to the foundation level, again press Ctrl Z, click on beam, go to the constraint. Reference level should be the ground level, apply it. Now click on all grids. Now finish it. Now let me check again in the 3D view. Instead of that, those are not created in the ground level. So what I will do is, now I will click on one of the beam and I will press SA. After pressing SA, all my beams got selected. Now I will provide the offset level. Now my offset level is at, let me go to the north elevation first. Now I will check what is the height between the 2000 is the height between the foundation level and the ground level. I will provide the, select here, I'll provide, I will type SA. Now start elevation is 2000 and end elevation is also 2000. Now click on apply. As soon as you click apply, let me check. See, now the beams have moved to the upper level, that is to the ground level. Now you can go to the north elevation and you can see now the beam has moved to the ground level. Now this is how we can also even move the beams to any level you want. Again, let me go to the foundation level. Let me go to the foundation level and ground level. Let me move to the ground level. As you can see here, in the ground level all the columns are visible. In this ground level also all the columns are visible. Now what I will do is, now I will again go to the view. I will again go to the plan view. I will copy it to the structural plan. I will copy it to the structural plan, the ground level. So copy it. After it is being copied, as you can see here, now I will press F2 and I will write as beam plan. After that, in the beam plan I have to give the annotations, and for that what I will do is I have to go to the annotations. I will write as tag by all, tag the beams, structural, columns, structural framing text, structural framing text, apply it. See, now all my beams, they have been tagged. In this manner we can tag all the beams. So this one is my column plan, this one is my foundation plan, and this one is my beam plan. So even I can remove here all my beams, and for removing all my beams what I can do is I can go to the visibility graphics in the view. In the view, go to the visibility graphics, and here I can remove the structural columns, and I can click on apply and I can press OK. See, now my columns, they got removed. So these are my 3 plans I have created. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the beams and how to name them. So now let me go to the foundation level. Let me go to the 3D view. So this is how we can create the foundation, create the columns. Now I will even create the beams, and for creating the beams in the different level, what I will do is I will click it here, and I will after clicking one beam I will now type SA. All beams will get selected. Now I will type on copy it, copy to clipboard. After clicking on copy to clipboard, now I will paste it. Now I will paste to the selected level. Now I will paste it to the, from ground floor I will copy it to the second floor, third floor. By clicking the control button I have to select first floor multi level and press OK. Now my beams will be copied to other levels. Just wait till the processing is over. See, in this manner now my beams will be created in all the levels. Now let me go to the north elevation and check if everything is okay or not. As you can see here, now though my beams, they are being copied, but let me go to the foundation level. Sorry, let me go to the 3D view, and after going to the 3D view, let me select all the beams, and after selecting all the beams, now as I have moved this one, so let me do one thing. Let me also now press the control button and select other level beam also. But while selecting the beam, always remember to move the arrow from left to right, not from right to left. Now analytical structural framings, now move this one from 0 and make this one as 0 and make this one as 0. Make this one also as 0. Now just wait for a minute till it's get, because till it gets straight, I have to make both as the 0 0. Now it's being regenerating. Just wait for a minute. See, all my beams now got to the proper levels. Now everything is done. So this is how we need to create the beams in the full frame. Now this is the beam of the ground level and beam of first floor. I can go to the north elevation, I can check. See, properly it is created. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, multi-level. So hope it's clear to all of you how I have created the beams in all the levels. So you can go to the beam view and I can, this is the beam view. In my ground floor, the beams will be visible. Now I will be showing you in my next video how to create the slabs over the beams. So hope it's clear to all of you about what I have taught in my video today. So if there is any doubt, then you can ask me in my comment section, and thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed my channel Civil Mania, then you can subscribe it for my latest upcoming videos. And thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.